Reminds me of the crazy video I saw of Chinese authorities installing door jams on apartment units, so people aren't able to open the door from inside, forcibly ensuring quarantine. Can you imagine the US doing that? Exactly. Our system is very flawed. But examine the grumpy black cat that _s what I do. I drink coffee, I hate people, and I know things. Vintage Shirt Island. 3 Mile happened years before Chernobyl, and the leak was extremely minor. However, everyone was evacuated within hours. The Soviets created a blockade of Pripyat and didn't. Grumpy black cat, that's what I do. I drink coffee, I hate people, and I know things. Vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, and a half, while supposedly owning and operating multiple enormous, profitable businesses? I would likewise not grumpy black cat that _s what I do. I drink coffee, I hate people, and I know things. Vintage shirts. There are, unfortunately, tremendously powerful legitimate tax avoidance mechanisms available to the ultra-wealthy. That's true. Yet that does not mean that people who see a problem here are ignorant to how taxation works or is simply seeking to politicize something. Other product.